Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's The Core series, we're talking about Killepitsch. I think. I don't know. That's what I got.
Something like that. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt will show us what the bottle looks like now and tell us a little bit about this.
Yeah, Killepitsch. It's this cool stuff from Germany. It's from Dusseldorf, and apparently Sarah says it smells like a German. Anyway,
It's from Dusseldorf.
You said Dusseldorf.
Okay.
that's where it's from. It was commercially launched as a brand in the 50s, but the family has been around since 1858, and it's named after they were in a air raid shelter during World War II. And his William Busch said, or like I said, Willie Busch said to his friend Hans Müller-Schlösser that if they would toast to new beginnings in life, that after this they would go have a pitsch, which is apparently German word for drink, and kill because they weren't killed. So that's what they came with Killepitsch. Cool name for the story. But anyway, now they've moved into a new distillery in 2005 and that's modern technology. Everything else used to be done by hand, but now they have automated mixers and all that fun stuff. It's up of a restaurant and bar, so awesome. Anyway, so what this is, it was made of 98 fruits, berries, and herbs. It's been made by the Busch Family since 1858. It is blood red in color. Usually served chilled as a digestif, and the original recipe is still a secret family recipe. It's considered an herbal liqueur, and it's stored in a stainless steel tank for over a year as it macerates together. So let's see what we think of this German liqueur.
It does smell very digestif. It does smell very mint, anise,
Super herbal, fennel,
coriander, fennel. Yes, very, very herb driven.
cinnamon, cloves.
Licorice.
Yeah,
Licorice.
definitely licorice.
Yeah.
That
I
fennel,
can get that too.
lavender, little almond, juniper,
Sage and
root
basil.
beer, even a little oregano. Yeah, like
Yep,
Italian
oregano.
spices, bacon.
Yeah, the Italian seasoning mix. The
Definitely.
whole thing just drizzled on in there.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to drizzle it in there, but I'll shake some.
Yeah, because,
That would be like
Shake
ridiculous. It'd be like all you taste is seasoning. All right, let's see if it tastes.
It's very seasoning driven, though.
it is.
Mhm. Oh, it's definitely very herbal.
Mhm.
It is very,
Cinnamon.
very herbal. Herbal indeed.
Fruit.
And the licorice is not. It's a thread in there, but it's
Not
as
overpowering.
Yeah, not like
not as
Jägermeister.
dominant as I was expecting it to be based on what I was smelling on the nose.
Same here. Same here. I get
Yeah,
more
very
of the cooking spices, not baking spices, but
Mhm.
cooking spices. Your sage, your oregano, your Italian seasoning, if you will.
Mhm.
It's got
Yeah,
a little
I
bit of like a garlic salt.
Rosemary chicken.
Yeah, this is like prunes and raisins and like root beer, a little
Mhm.
lavender, orange, cherries and almonds and cloves and spices. This is very like Christmas spice incense. It's super.
It
It's
really,
also a very
really-
nice warming sensation too.
I get
At
a little bit of a,
42%. Yeah, so this is 84 proof, so it's got a really nice proof to it as well.
I get a little bit of a cranberry on that last round.
I don't get that proof
Ooh.
point at all, Matt.
No, I don't. That's what's scary that it's this high. Yeah, it's 42%, so 84 proof.
That's surprising. I was expecting you to tell me 20s as far as a percentage point. I was not expecting 40s because that drink's low
Yeah.
for what it is.
We smell?
Yeah.
Oh
It's
yeah,
good.
she no likey.
Oh, we're backing up quick. Okay.
She no likey.
No smell weasel.
Yeah, that's kind of another one of Michelle and Pete's fun adventures around the state, or the other
Nice.
random liquors they got from. So, thanks, Pete.
All right,
Michelle.
then.
Appreciate it. It's great.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate that.
This is enjoyable.
It's interesting.
I like it. I mean, I think small amounts is be fun, chilled. Like I said, digestive. It's
Yeah.
perfect.
Yeah.
It's good. It's really nice.
All right.
All right. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. And come hang out with us live on Monday nights. Until next time,
Keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass.
cheers.
No, I think the price one is $25. All right, this is good. All right, I have to put my suit on, and I will see you guys tomorrow.